I have, of course, asked the AI system to answer that question.
Oh, lazy you.
Some think it's easy. I'm a lazy bastard. But it was very interesting to see and hear what an AI system could respond to that question. And before I maybe give some insights about my personal views on it, I would love to read the answer from the AI system to your question. AI has a potential to significantly impact the creative field of show design in several ways. One of the most notable impacts is in the area of automation, where AI can help automate various tasks involved in the design process, such as generating sketches or creating 3D models. This can save time and allow designers to focus on more creative aspects of the project. And this is exactly what I expect from AI, is that if I have a limited amount of time in my production, AI can help me to get all the unpopular tasks I can delegate to the AI system and have much more time for what I really love to do, is working with live. As a human being, I want to create, and I don't want to analyze musical tracks and putting the cues on the right beat. That AI can help me, or it can help me on the sketching things or designing things in a 3D modeling. Another area where AI can have an impact is in the area of data analysis. AI algorithm can analyze audience data and provide insights on audience preferences, helping designers create shows that are more tailored to their audience interests. Additionally, AI can help identify trends and patterns in the data, which can inform the design of future shows. And that is exactly what I think too. It gives me more time for tailoring shows better to the client's needs. And that's AI algorithm can do. AI can also help designers explore new creative possibilities by generating new ideas and concepts. For example, AI-powered tools can help designers generate music, lighting, or visual effects that are unique and innovative. I agree 100% to that. Overall, while there are certainly some potential benefits to using AI in show design, it is important to note that AI is not a replacement for human creativity. Designers will still need to rely on their own creativity, intuition, and experience to create compelling and engaging shows that resonate with audience. And again, I think it's perfectly right. AI can help me to get a better result.
Do you have any experience in working with AI?
Yes, I have. I just did a project where I generated visuals by an AI system, which worked absolutely fine. Yeah, it's at the minute it's still images. Yeah, but in the future there will be moving images. So generating visual content on an AI algorithm base is for me possible in the near future, and then AI can help analyzing the data in the visual and bringing lighting levels to the correct or to define lighting levels correct for the scene, and that is a great benefit, I think.
Yeah, which leads me to the question: who owns the design that is produced by?
It depends on the relation between the client and you as a designer or as an employer. First is to to define the rules about it. If I'm an employer and I design something from or with the help of an AI, it could be that the rights of ownership will owned by my employer or by the client. It depends on the contract. But I personally suggest myself as an as somebody who gives input to an AI and get an output back, I consider myself the legal right owner of the creation of an AI. I know that people might see different, especially creative people, because they think or might think that the AI system is only capable of doing so because it was fed by creative things of other. But I respond to it as my brain is also taught by the creativity of other people. If I go to a museum or art gallery or looking into architecture, this also get into my brain, and I might use it, this information on my next design process. So why should not an AI system fed in that way and helps me saving time?
So don't you fear that the AI will take away your job sooner or later?
No, not at all. No, we have to live it. I mean, you cannot spin the wheel backward. It's there. It's a technique. And what you say, Markus, is actually true. And your question is a little bit formed as you see a possible danger. But look, what is the situation today in the industry? We are missing qualified staff. We are missing qualified operators at all fronts. And why should not I work with an AI programmer, or for example, in programming light tests? Yeah. So that's, I see AI as an absolutely benefit for my work, and not at all as a possible danger.
But how do you see your role then in the future? Your role as a lighting designer in cooperation with AI, with artificial intelligence. What will you have to do in the future?
Yeah, what I see is I use AI to get better results. That's it. To get more out of my more creativity, more time to spend on real creative process instead of spending so much time on programming a light board or a media server or whatever. And that's for me a big benefit. And looking into my past careers, I sometimes wished to have a AI 20 years ago, yeah, to help me how to say it in English, avoiding mistakes I did. For example, 20 years ago, I designed a front curtain for a band with a band logo, and it was written on it, Homo Erectus Tour 1997. But I did it completely wrong. The typo I did wrong. So I would love to have an AI system back in the days, which I could have been asked to say, how do I do it right? So to prevent the mistake that on lower venues, it was only readable Homo Tour 1997, which cost me my job back in the day. Yeah. So I see it as a benefit to create better shows.
Thank you very much for this insight, JoJo. I think we will hear about this topic a lot in the future.
I think the answer of the AI was more fluent than my personal. So just remember, an AI system can really be spot on if it comes to answer that question. Maybe better as a nervous German light designer sitting in the beautiful light here. Thank you, Marco, for the nice afternoon. Yeah? Thank you, Lumen beings. Thank you, Adam Hall.